Everyone, welcome to lesson number 40. This is grade 8 mathematics, and in this video we are going to look at substitution. Alright, in your textbook it's probably called replacement, so it means the same thing. Okay, so when it comes to this objective, you'll be given numbers and then you'll be expected to replace these numbers in a given expression. Okay, so let's say you are given this. So you're given that 2 times m plus 3 times n. Alright, so you're given 2 terms and you are told that m is equal to -4 and n is equal to positive 5. Okay, so you should now substitute these values in the expression. Alright, so the question will be, find 2 times m plus 3 times n when m is equal to -4, n is equal to positive 5. So what do? You just substitute these numbers in the expression. So it's 2, open the bracket, -4 plus 3, open the bracket, positive 5. And then you simplify. So this is, the bracket means multiplication, so this will be -8, because you're multiplying a positive number with a negative number, you should expect a negative number, plus 15. Okay, so now we could not add this because they are not like terms. Okay, I don't remember doing like terms, but I think we are going to get to that part. Okay, so here, so this -8 plus 15 will simplify to positive 7. So the answer will be positive 7. So this is like 15 minus 8. Okay, and 15 minus 8 will give you positive 7. Alright, so let's look at another one. So we'll be using the same numbers. Okay, so that was A. So let us look at B. B, you are given n divided by m. At C, you are given m times n, and let's have D here, and D1 will be m squared plus n squared. So let's start with this one. So with this one, what we need to do, we need to divide n by m. So it will be positive 5 divided by -4. You can either leave it like that, or you can write it in a decimal form, which is going to be -1.25. So you can either leave it like this or as a decimal fraction. Okay, so 4 goes into 5 ones, and then there will be a remainder of 1, which is 0.25. Okay, then m times n, you simply multiply the two numbers, -4 times positive 5. Whether you say -4 times positive 5, it means the same thing, which is going to be a -20, because when you multiply a negative number with a positive number, you get a negative number. So this will be the answer. Okay, now for D, we should square each number. So we say -4, we square that, plus positive 5, square that. So if you want to punch this on your calculator, please make sure that you use brackets, because if you don't use brackets and you just do this, you're going to get -20. But if you use brackets, you're going to get positive 20. So here, what we have, we are going to have positive, no, I'm sorry for that. This is not negative 20 but negative 16. Sorry for that. Positive 16. Sorry for that. Okay, so here it's gonna be positive 16 and positive 25. If we sum that up, we are going to get 16, 25, 1, that's 11, so that's 41. That will give you 41. So that's substitution, and it's very simple. You should be getting this without any difficulties. Okay? Alright, so the learners with the study guide, so grade 8 mathematics study notes, please you can go to page number, so this work is on page number, how did I lose the page when I was there? Sorry for that, guys. Go to page 28. Alright, so that's where you find the questions on substitution. Okay? Alright, now for your homework, please take a picture of your work, share with me on WhatsApp. If you don't have my number, I'm going to share it now so that you communicate with me. Okay, so my cell phone number is 081 2799641. Okay, so take a picture of your work and share with me. So this is your work to practice. So go and practice. So given that m is equal to negative 4 and n is equal to positive 5, find the following. A, I want you to find this minus m plus n, and B, I want you to find 2 times m plus 3n, and then the last one, C, I want you to find 5mn. Please do this in your summary book, take a picture and share with me. So thank you for watching and see you in video number 41. Bye bye.